Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Teaching of Mathematics. It's DLED ATT first year book. It's a bestseller book. It's as per the new syllabus pattern of a Government of Himachal Pradesh book, and it's in Hindi medium. So Vinod Publications book, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. Let's check and review this book out of Hindi medium. Of a teaching of mathematics. Let's check. Unit 1, its syllabus is mentioned. Perspective about mathematical knowledge. These topics are given. Then Unit 2 syllabus is mentioned. Pedagogical content knowledge topic is given. Unit 3 aspect of teaching mathematics topic are given. Then Unit 4 assessment topics are given. You can check them out. Contents, now we have to check the contents and verify the contents with the syllabus whether it matches the syllabus or not. Like Unit 1, nature and importance of mathematics, nature, importance, aspects, conceptual, procedure, knowledge, and so on, terminology, notation, algorithm till theorems. You can verify with syllabus. See, nature and importance of mathematics, aspects of mathematical knowledge, and it's still the algorithm, definition, theorem. It's completely there. So now we have to and also this which was also there in the content. So Unit 1 cover everything of Unit 1 of syllabus cover everything of the contents. So now we have to go to Unit 2 and verify that of contents. So Unit 2, pedagogy, content knowledge, numbers, number concept, counting, fractions, decimal, arithmetical operation, then symmetry, technical measurement, the idea of unit, length, and then till temperature, and so far so on till reading information with simple graphs. Let's check this out. In Unit 2 syllabus, see, number concept, everything is there, and till data handling, sorting, classification, which was in the end of Unit 2. Reading information from simple graph, it's completely there. So Unit 2 is also captured. Now we have to check Unit 3, mathematic phobia, coping with failure, and so on so till analysis, synthesis. It's till use of ICT in mathematics teaching. You can check out in the syllabus. See, mathematic phobia and coping with failure, mathematical laboratory, and till the end it's use of ICT and mathematics teaching. It's completely there. Unit 3 covered. Unit 4, let's check. Assessment, meaning of assessment, objective, importance, and so far so on, and till evaluation of performance. Let's check this out in syllabus. See, assessment, meaning, objective, importance, until evaluation of performance. So all the units 1, 2, 3, 4 are completely covered. Everything of syllabus has everything of contents have everything which was there in syllabus. Also it's highlighted in both the languages, English and Hindi, so to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to understand. And we have to now check the pages. We have to now verify the page number which are mentioned in front of contents, whether they are accurate or not. For example, in page 84, whether I'll find arithmetic operations or not. Let me check this out of page number 84. Arithmetical operation, page 84. Yes, it's completely there. Now I have to check one more. Now let's check from the last unit, Unit 4, page 274, criterion reference tests, 274. Page 274, criterion reference text. It's completely there. So page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. It's a great book. Everything discussed in detail. Topic inside the books are also highlighted in both English and Hindi to make it comfortable for both kind of reader to understand. If you are a fan of English speaking, if you want to read English speaking thing, you can also buy this book because the things are highlighted in English language also, inclusive of Hindi too. So let's go to the back page of the book now. Other books of ETT first year, books and textbook and guest papers of DLED ETT Himachal Pradesh first year also mentioned. You can check them out and buy it also. Now the price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only, which is great considering that this book has 307 pages and it covers every detail which is possible in this book. 199.50 is a very less and reasonable price for this book. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call or you can also call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to you in just 3-4 days time. You can also buy this book offline from any available bookstore nearby your location of which has ETD books, and you can buy it at 199.50 rupees only. Or you can also visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com. Go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com and go to their Facebook, Twitter and YouTube also to check out other books of Vinod Publications and buy them and check the new stuff which is available. So 199.50 rupees is a great price for this book. I think you should definitely buy this book of Teaching of Mathematics. I highly recommend this book of Vinod Publications. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.